Hello and welcome to AIMS Education. My name is Chirag, Patel. As the AIMS President, I'm honored to greet you. I've been associated with AIMS Education for last 19 years, and as a Chief Executive Officer, I make sure the institution is well positioned in its mission and goal. AIMS Education has been operating since 2004. In last 19 years, AIMS Education has crossed many milestones. Our mission statement is to offer highest quality career-focused education to the students and those who are looking to enter into the healthcare field. It is our goal to ensure that each graduate enters the workforce with required knowledge, experience, and training to build successful career. We offer career in pretty much all major healthcare area, focusing on different technology aspects. AIMS has programs in radiology, cardiology, AIMS has program in surgical technology, program in pharmacology, general program like medical assistant, medical billing and coding, EKG, phlebotomy. Few of the strong area AIMS offer is large network of our clinical affiliation. We work with pretty much all major health systems in New Jersey and some in New York. We have many private facilities like imaging centers, doctors' offices, pharmacies, and medical labs. Our alumni network is very strong. Our facility is state-of-the-art, and we have many equipments which you would be practicing in the school, which you're gonna see in the real field. AIMS faculties are well experienced from healthcare background and very committed to our students. AIMS offers various students support services like career services. We have a DEI department, we have wellness services, we have academic library, a student representative program, we have National Technical Honor Societies. AIMS offers an amazing opportunity with our hybrid learning environment to learn, explore, and get real-time experience at our clinical sites in the healthcare industry. While you are in the program, we offer various support services like academic advancement, academic support, tutoring. We have labs and hands-on activity on the campus. Clinical experience portion AIMS offers is available in majority of our program, where students spend time in the real field and gaining that experience to get the competency on their skill which they are enrolled for. Students are also prepared to sit for their certification exam and make the resume powerful, given them an opportunity to build their career and take the degree and educations they are taking at our college to the next level. Once institution where students can pursue their dreams to be in the healthcare field. My message to my new student is to make new friends, get settled down in this environment, take advantage of all the student services and resources we are offering you, and make your journey memorable and work hard to build your career successfully into the healthcare industry. We invite you to come and visit our campus, explore our resources and our facilities, and see how we can help you to fulfill your dream and your journey to be in the healthcare field.